3 days, 235 crew members, 57 models, 18 designers, 673 outfits, 27 makeup artists, all under one roof. Roseate House became the center of attention as it was host to the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017.
I'm quite happy actually hosting the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week at the Roseate House. This is the first time we're actually doing a mega event like that for fashion at our hotel, which recently opened up. And I'm very happy to see all the fashion conscious and fashion people come and see and host themselves at this new destination for hospitality.
Delhi has brewed its fashion sense since the inception of fashion shows in the city, और इस बार ये अपने समय से काफी आगे था। हम आपके लिए लाए हैं एक ऐसा शो जो फैशन के उत्साह को वापस लाता है। The makeup and hairstylists were tasked with matching the looks with the outfits. और सबने बहुत सारे नए आधुनिक स्टाइल्स पेश किए Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week पर।
This look we are doing for Mandira's show, our collection is very beach wear. We are doing just, flawless skin, which is a trend for this season, and soft brown smoky eyes, which look, I think, lovely on Indian skin. And then candy pink lips, which is, again, I would say a bright lip is a trend for this season.
The backstage is where the action happens before it happens on stage.
We're 20 minutes away from the show, and as you can see, we're all ready with the makeup and hair, and it's going to be a fun show. Well, you're going to see girls are going to have fun, music is fun, everybody's going to enjoy it.
Opening the show is Mandira Vir with a resort wear collection. Mandira is a leader in the fashion business and has evolved from high-end design-oriented women's and men's wear. Fusion is her mainstay, but her clothes exude class and wearability.
I'm launching my new MW Resort Wear line. It's all about resort, it's about ocean love. So the color palette starts from the ivory, peaches, beautiful pinks, goes down to aqua and a bit of red. And with sunset, we do a bit of shimmer.
मंदिरा के इस इजी ब्रीजी कलेक्शन ने हर किसी को लुभाया और था the perfect match for the beach. The different kinds of sleeves added glam to the already exotic structured garments. Zesty and filled with love, उन्होंने अपना लगाव ओशंस के साथ जाहिर किया इस कलेक्शन के जरिए. A perfect evening on the beach under the serene moonlight and bare feet in the cool sand. The models displayed beautiful gowns that had an ethnic touch to them और हर look था wedding के लिए. While the women's couture line was all about muted shades, the men's line had bright, colorful kurtas paired with earthy-hued pants and churidars.
Our collection is called Recherche, which means something unusual, something rare, something out of the ordinary. You're adventurous, you're experimental, you're the metrosexual man of today, so you would want to wear clothes like these and others that you've seen on the ramp. For those who are not weak-hearted, those who are willing to be adventurous, that's what our collection is about.
From florals to block colors, from pastels to sharp colors, the collection catches everyone's fancy. इस कलेक्शन के साथ भरत रेशमा ने प्रूव किया that at weddings it's not always women but men can also steal the spotlight. The Commando superstar Vidyu Jamwal walked the show for Bharat Reshma in a stunning monochrome bandgala from Rishashi collection.
I think it's fabulous, it's quirky, it's not the regular mundane what normally a man would wear for a wedding or a function because it's very different. They've made it elaborate. I love everything about it. It's exhilarating. I must say that I've been into a lot of clothes before. I love working for designers, but without a doubt, they're my favorite people now.
अंजलि अर्जुन ने इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे शोकेस किया वो हर आउटफिट जो ख्वाहिश होती है एक ब्राइड की फॉर हर वेडिंग इन अ ग्रैंड स्टाइल।
So the collection was based out of Persian architecture and I've themed it the Persian flora. A lot of mix and match, a lot of color blocking so that every aspect of the garment stands out on its own. So today the girls do not want the typical cliched look. It's all about a fusion wear.
हीरो की तरह चमका उनका कलेक्शन and it was absolutely unbelievable. Next, we have the pioneers of jewelry design, PC Jeweler, who demonstrate the point that fashion is not just about the garments, but the accessories as well.
Daily Times, PC Jewelers India Showcase Week 2017 has been a great platform to introduce a new range, or I must say the collection for brides and grooms.
Hi, I am R.K. Sharma, Executive Director of PC Jeweler, and I am proud to be associated with the Daily Times PCJ India Showcase Week.
उनके शो में ज्वेलरी और क्लोथ्स का प्रदर्शन was truly a masterclass. मलाइका अरोरा और रणदीप हुड्डा रहे थे perfect showstoppers for PC Jeweler.
Very nice. I think it's very elegant. India as a culture used to have many, men used to wear a lot of jewelry, not anymore. But I think it's coming back in vogue. I like the rough cut thing to it, and it's very nice. It makes you look very princely.
It is bridal, and I love the jewelry. I think PC Jewelers have just done a fantastic job with the whole bridal look, and I'm wearing an Astana Arang outfit, and I think together everything just kind of fell perfectly together.
Stick around for some of the best collections Indian fashion has to offer only at the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017. The Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017 not only showcased the high-end fashion designers and their designs, but also provided a platform for the future of the Indian fashion industry with Fashionista, the School of Fashion Technology.
For me, every child's work was very creative and very beautiful because for them to touch base with designer platform was a great achievement itself, and everything was very neat and professional. Kakuna gave strength to the acid attack survivors by dedicating a sequence to these true winners.
Fantastic experience. I would like to thank Delhi Times PCJ for this showcase, and I would also like to thank Atijeevan Foundation, who is supporting the most important cause of acid burn victim. It was a great evening. It was very well received by the audience, and I'm really thankful for all of them to help us support this cause.
The superb contemporary collection of Nitya Bajaj lightened the mood. It is a total fun collection for the girl of today. बचपन के दिनों को एंजॉय करने का मौका फिर से दिया नित्या बजाज ने with her super fun collection और सभी मॉडल्स ने एक्सप्रेस किया अपना एंजॉयमेंट on the ramp. Her showstopper, actress Divya Khosla Kumar, looks stunning in her free-flowing dress and curly hair.
It was really fun walking for label Nitya Bajaj, and you can see I'm wearing such a pretty dress and I'm already feeling like a princess. It's such a fun collection, and we are supporting the cause of girl child education for Smile Foundation with the walk.
The duo from Delhi, Karishma and Deepa Sondhi, presented a vibrant cute Indian evening wear collection that made heads turn at the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017 with some glamorized, intricate craftsmanship. Unke collection ne pai sabki attention as it was stunningly crafted with exquisite use of embroideries. Zareen Khan bani showstopper and she looked beautiful. और अपना charm add किया at the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017.
I'm walking the ramp today for Karishma and Deepa Sondhi for Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017. The theme of our show is called Swarnakatha. It depicts the many moods of women in the different color outfits that she has made, and I think I love what I'm wearing. I love the intricate work on it.
Letting her love for textiles and Lucknowi Zardozi shine through. Pallavi Madeshya Yadav's collection boasted of stunning Indian traditional evening wear. इस शानदार कलेक्शन का हाईलाइट था birds, trees and tropical motifs used as inspiration. A leading name in Indian haute couture, Sagar Tenali's collection is known for its revolutionary fusion of traditional crafts and contemporary style. और अगर आप सोच रहे हैं एक महारानी जैसा लुक कैसे मिलेगा, तो you now know where to go. Nikki Mahajan decided to tone things down with her exquisite bridal wear that oozed exuberance and class. Her combination of innovative surface treatments and surprising colorways made it an unusual collection that's perfect for the modern bride.
My collection Tara is about a young bride. There's no red color, there's no Zardozi, there's no heavy work. This was a really great opportunity for me to be a part of Delhi Times and PCJ India Showcase Week.
Frosty colors, very light minty colors, delicate embroideries, great detailing. I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Nikki Mahajan के कलेक्शन ने दिया एक न्यू लुक टू द मॉडर्न ब्राइड जिसमें पेस्टल कलर्स का यूज किया टू शो हाउ द इंडियन ब्राइड हैज चेंज्ड ओवर द इयर्स.
This is the last outfit. It's a beautiful light lehenga. I love the color. It's for a beautiful young bride. The jewelry is fantastic. And I'm really, really happy to be a part of Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week.
Designer Lalit Dalmia showcased his exquisite Fad Paradise collection.
So we are coming up with a collection called Fad Paradise. It's a fashion paradise. It's the transformation of a simple movement into different world. We use very beautiful 3D embroideries, color like pistachio, mint green, peach, and a lot of beautiful colors.
और इनका डिजाइन और विजन दोनों नजर आए at the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017. A lot more fashion, style and glamour coming up on the other side of this short break. Designer Ashok Mane's collection was simple yet elegant. His traditional Indian wear had a nice southern touch to it, drawing strength and inspiration from India's rich tradition, history and heritage. There was a delightful mix of Western and Indian wear when designer Sadan Pandey took center stage. उनके men's design का collection था inspired from the shades of fresh flowers of spring and the hues of the sunrise and sunset. Reena Dhaka's collection was super stylish as she carries the tag Goddess of Oomph. Her years of experience and hard work were on display with her comfortable and alluring collection. Shades of white and beige dominated Reena's collection, which was topped up with minimal jewelry and nude makeup. Time to time, Reena Dhaka ने prove किया है that less is more. Style और comfort को knit किया एक अलग ही अंदाज में रीना ने. Soak up the sun in style with Nandita Mahatani Resort and Beachwear collection. It's easy on the eyes and has sophistication written all over it. This is perfect for relaxing by the pool or at the beach. Nandita's collection ने दिखाया कि beach wear can be more than just bikinis अपने stylish lounge wear के साथ. When it comes to the color palette, shades of pastels and corals dominated Nandita's beautiful collection. The stunning Kanika Kapoor of Baby Doll fame walked the ramp as showstopper for Nandita. Meena Bazaar held nothing back with their designs. They lit up the ramp with their modern, conventional collection.
Meena Bazaar has really changed the way that the modern young Indian bride dresses. New cuts with belt sleeves, with cold shoulders. We are really reinventing the whole ethnic concept.
Their collection being a visual delight makes you want to pick it right off the ramp and take it home. मीना बाजार के इस कलेक्शन में आपको दिखाई देगा एक तड़का, ट्रेडिशनल फ्यूजन और मॉडर्न स्टाइल का for the fun bride of today. Gauhar Khan made all women's dreams come true when she walked down the ramp in a lehenga with her hands in her pockets. उन्होंने endorse किया lehenga pocket वाला and it was definitely very cool.
Well, I'm here for Meena Bazaar as their showstopper at the Delhi Times PC Jewelers India Showcase Week 2017. Today I'm wearing bridal outfit that is for the generation today. We like to keep it easy. So this is the fun bride who has pockets as well in the outfit. So I really enjoyed myself.
Rocky S needs no introduction, a designer for both the classes and the masses. He showcased his travel collection for the ones who are ready for love, with floral prints for both men and women. The essence of his collection, Shringara, lies in the overwhelming emotion of happiness and in the celebration of a woman in love, her many moods as she adorns herself in wait for him.
So the whole collection is about a woman who's a traveler. She loves traveling. She's a confident woman. She's today's woman who works, but at the same time enjoys her life. The collection is called Shringara. It's about decorating yourself, about a woman all ready for her love.
Rocky S ने स्प्रिंग कलेक्शन के लिए यूज किया डेकोरेटिव प्रिंट्स, handcrafted textures and opulent embroideries को. The color palette includes shades of grey, mysterious forest greens and light pastels which enhance the feelings of joy. The star-studded show ended with a bang, with Ritu Beri's collection giving new trends for the fashion industry to emulate and bringing every design on the horizon. Ritu presented the Brit-inspired collection with hats and other accessories like gloves, sleeves and bags. और इस बार वो लाना चाहती है the trend of women wearing hats in India और उन्होंने शो किया अपने डिजाइन्स के साथ कि how well a hat can complement your dress.
Well, I did a very wearable collection with a lot of different details, like there were gloves, there were sleeves, there were beautiful handbags which were like jewelry basically. So the whole idea was to make a collection that was quirky, fun and still wearable. Well, I think I showed the trends and I think India is perfect for hats and it would be great if women in India took to hats.
She loves a look that reflects originality, timelessness and the concept of easy dressing. It should look like you don't care what you wear. As the curtains come down on another fashion extravaganza, we take the opportunity to thank our sponsors for their association with the Delhi Times PCJ India Showcase Week 2017. So we say goodbye to another sizzling fashion week that showcased an array of brilliant designs. Now we wait in anticipation till the next time it happens again. Till then, adios.